Hello everyone! Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to share your phone number but realized you couldn't recall it? Fear not, as in this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to find your phone number on your iPhone. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. It's that iconic gear-shaped icon that holds the key to various settings and configurations. Within the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Phone option. Tapping on this will lead you to a plethora of phone-related settings. As you navigate to the Phones section, your phone number will be prominently displayed at the top. No need for secret codes or memorization. It's right there for your convenience. So, the next time you find yourself in a situation where you need to share your phone number, follow this quick step and locate it effortlessly on your iPhone. Whether it's a new device, multiple phone usage, or just a fleeting memory lapse, we've got you covered. And that's it. Now, you learned how to see your phone number on iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!